What's up guys, I'm Dustin Cooper and today I'm going to show you how to do this liquid marble effect using Photoshop. Alright, so the first thing we do is you get your images. I grabbed a couple of these from unsplash.com. I'll put the link in the description of the website I got them from, but it's free stock photography you can use. So yeah, I grabbed this one. I'm going to drag and drop it over into my document. I'm hitting Command T so I can resize it real quick. And then we are going to go into Filter at your top toolbar, Filter, down to Liquify. And in here you're going to find a couple of different settings you can mess with. Right now you see this circle, that's the size of the brush. I'm going to bring that down a little bit bigger. And about right there. Here's my brush size. I want about 166. Pressure, I'm going to bring that down to about 90. And there we go. And then we're going to just take our finger and drag and move things around. Just mess it up. And you might see a little bit of this translucent background, but that's okay because you can then drag and pull it up and out so that it's not there anymore. But I'm going to mess this up real good, and then I'm going to go in and adjust it real quick. All right, so now that I got my colors mixed by just doing a circle, now I'm going to pull the sides out like so, back and forth, back and forth. There we go. Pull this down and out. Okay, so there you have it. Here is our first liquid text or texture. Looks like that. There you go. So yeah, we can file, save that. Number one. Save that to my desktop. I'm going to make a few of these just so you guys can see different ways we can use these. And now we'll open up another one. So this was that first one was with like a rainbow gradient. I just want to show you you can use even like images like mountains, trees, whatever, it doesn't matter. You can use any image. You can bring it in if you like the color of the image. You can bring it into Photoshop like this. So we liquify. Let's change our brush size to 340. And pull that out a little bit. Just going around in a circle with my finger on the trackpad, and then I'll go in and pull these to the side anywhere I see a translucent part. I'll make sure that's pulled off, because if you hit OK and there's like that translucent areas, there will be nothing there. So I think that looks good. Hit OK, and that's what we got. So I'll save that one. That's number two. Do two more quick ones. So I got this one of clouds, and then I'll do this translucent one that looks pretty cool. I'm excited to see what that looks like. So here we got a blue sky with some white clouds. I think that'll look pretty cool, turned into liquid. All right, filter, liquify. Yeah, I like that. Again, just kind of mess it up, make little circles, and then go back in and pull all your sides out, down, It's looking nice. I like that. Hit OK. There we go. Save as number 3. And last one, we'll do this little rainbow translucent gradient. Looks pretty cool. Bring that over. And then I'm gonna bring the vibrance up real quick. There we go. Nice, I like that. All right, filter, liquify. Yeah, that's looking good. All right. I think I'm happy with that. Okay. And there we go. That's going to wrap up this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I also want to say thanks to all of you for watching these videos week after week. It means the world to me. So keep creating and keep sharing your art with the world.